You better watch out. You better not fight. You better not talk. 'Cause I'm telling you what. Sorry guys.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to VLOGMAS baby. I just can't believe it's December already. 2021 went so quick. Oh my god, this is it. Merry Christmas everyone. What? Anyways guys, welcome to VLOGMAS day 1. If you are new to the channel, hi, I'm Denise. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I haven't posted in a very long time guys, like I'm so sorry. So I just wanted to explain what VLOGMAS is. So I'll be uploading videos till 25th of December, every single day in December. Just get into the Christmas spirit. Guys, like I've never ever done this before. It's going to be hectic. Thinking about waking up every day to vlog and just to edit. But I'm gonna try because I really want to make VLOGMAS and film more exciting videos for you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoy. I hope I do well. This is gonna be amazing. I love Christmas so much. December, Christmas, the best. Oh my god guys, like I haven't posted in a very long time and I keep getting subscribers. Wow, thank you so much. Stop it. Yeah, hit me up with any videos you guys want to see. Don't forget to comment down below. Anyways, don't forget to like this video. If you don't like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.